Hello, I'm Todd Morrison, owner-operator of Destination Cellars in Tasmania. We're here to show you the beautiful Kavalan King Car 40th Anniversary Limited Edition Whisky, and just to unveil it to show you the scale and scope of this beautiful creation. Let's get it out. So we can see that it's in a beautiful wooden and leather gift box. We open the door up. It comes with its own whiskey glass and is in a 1.5 litre crystal decanter. You see there in the neck, it's adorned with Swarovski crystals. The liquid itself is from exclusive French red wine casks and is bottled at cask strength at 56.3%. To give you some idea of the scale of this whisky, here it is alongside their famous Solus Fino Barrique. We've secured a limited amount of bottles here for the Tasmanian customers, as well as our online shop. They're available now at destinationcellars.com.au and available in store. We look forward to seeing you then.